Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Amazon list on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An Amazon wish list can be a handy thing. Use a wish list to create a Christmas gift list, a wedding, or baby gift registry as a reminder of things you want to buy in the future, or as a wish list of gifts you'd like for yourself. You could create all those of this if you wanted. So all you need is an Amazon account. So how to create the list on your Amazon? It's a simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon app. So here's you can go to you, and here there's an option your list. You can tap on that. So here's all the list, like your wish list you have on your Amazon. If you want to create the new one, you can just tap on the plus icon in here and you can start create the list, enter the title, maybe cooking, create list, tap on create list, and here you can start looking for the oven, the items or products that you want to add to your list in here. Maybe for this one, you can add to your list this product. So simple, right? So that is how to create list on your Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.